Hello, join me as I unbox the DJI Osmo Action 6. This is the standard combo. No bells, no whistles, no accessory, just the camera itself because by the looks of it, it's a great camera and I have other accessories from other cameras. So let's see what we get in here. We've got this box first, which will have the thumb screw for your mount. You can see it in there. You have the mount itself. Am I gonna take them all out? This mount. We also have the battery. We have charging cable, USB-C to USB-C, some little sticky pads which stuck to my finger. There you go. That is it for this box. Stickers, obviously, because it wouldn't be DJI without stickers, and some warranty and scan the QR code for the app, and the camera itself. The main attraction of the show, the new DJI Osmo Action 6. There it is. Screen protector on the lens. Let's take it off. There you go. That's all you get with the standard combo, and for me that's all I need. There are different other combos with lots of accessories you can look at and try. Let's see how this magnetic mount, oh boom, straight in, not a problem. And it goes the other way around. Oh, that's a strong magnet. And the other way around, boom. Oh, that really holds tight. Oh, that's nice. Very nice feel to it. Boom, you can feel the magnet locking in place. That's nice. That is nice. That is not going to go anywhere. So yeah, this is the DJI Osmo Action 6. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing so you see what you get in the box when you order the standard combo. And that is what you get. And I also want to show you this real quick. So straight out of the box, it doesn't even have an SD card in it. Let's open it to show you. That's where the SD card would go, next to the battery. There's no SD card in it. Already has 50 giga of memory, so I can start shooting straight away. So it's off now. Press the record button and it starts recording instantaneously. Just look at this. Look, press, boom, it's recording already. It's on, it's recording straight away. Off, stops recording, and shuts off. You're not going to miss a thing. On, starts recording.